Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video about two indicators that I normally use and with tweaked setting because they were not working on the time frame that I generally work on yesterday. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is a educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer that you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So yesterday for Nifty and Bank Nifty, I am generally on the 5-minute time frame and that works very well for me. However, yesterday was a strange day and things were not working out for me on the 5-minute time frame. So I switched on to a 1-minute time frame and I was using something called a Gaussian channel. All right. And it did okay. I had minimal losses, so I'm very happy about how the day went, especially in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I'm happy about the fact that I switched to the 1-minute time frame when the 5-minute time frame was not working. And I've already made a video of how the Gaussian channel works, and I've uploaded the video last night. You can watch that video, very informative, and it's on good lines. But people who have been following the channel know for a long time that one of my favorite indicators is called JICH indicator, and I've been using JICH for last maybe a month, and it's really working for me. However, I use JICH on the 5-minute time frame, and I was trying to find how to work with JICH on the 1-minute time frame. So I experimented with different values to see how I could make JICH work on the 1-minute time frame for me in Nifty and Bank Nifty. All right, and I think I found something that comes very close to a workable solution for the 1-minute time frame. I'll share it with you. I suggest you also try and tweak it. If you can further better it, then share it with us all in the comment section. All right, so let's start with my findings. And I was tweaking this for Bitcoin, and I've uploaded the video for Bitcoin, so I'm following that up with a video for Nifty and Bank Nifty, because most of the time I am on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bitcoin I paper trade quite a bit, but I don't really trade on Bitcoin. My profits in Bitcoin paper trading is some $296 trillion, not even billion, $trillion. But anyways, those things aside, how do we work with JICH moving average on the 1-minute time frame when the 5-minute time frame is not working for us? All right, so let's go on and start using JICH moving average. At the bottom, I've got EMA defense scotch. This is by Wugamlo. I'll just show you the name of the indicator and the author. So EMA difference histogram and stochastic indicator by Wugamlo. I'll leave the name of the indicators I'm using for this video in the comment section and pin it so that you have no difficulty finding it. And on top, yesterday I was using this Gaussian channel, but for this video, since I'm more comfortable with JICH, let's go on back to JICH. Now JICH, my settings for the 5-minute time frame is 21, and that works great. All right, but that does not work very well for me on the 1-minute time frame. And you can experiment with both and come to your own conclusion. What I realized is I tried 29, 39 and everything in between. What works is 41. 41 makes it a little more noisy. Sometimes even 49 does the trick. Depends. See, what we are trying to do is get rid of the excess noise. All right, because when you're working on the 1-minute time frame, things are running very fast. So you want to get rid of the excessive noise. Like if you decrease the time frame, then from year to year, you will also get some greens in between. We want to avoid that. When the market is going sideways also, we need to avoid the noise coming on the indicator. All right. So for me, the choice right now is in the 40s somewhere. All right. And I think 41 is a good, somewhere between 39 to 41 is ideal for me. When I go to 49, you'll realize this green and this green disappears. See now, all right, it becomes less noisy. See, those two greens have disappeared and this downtrend is mentioned. I mean, it's intact till this turns over here. So 49 seems to be ideal. 41 seems to be ideal. Maybe we can have a mid path at maybe about 45 and see how it works. Seems to be working great. You get some noise over here, this small green patch. more or less it's working, and seems to be catching it at the right time. When I go to 49, is it catching it at the right time? Let me guess. We're on the Nifty 50 chart, by the way. 49 is a little late to the game, but what the advantage of 49 is there is more reduction of noise. The noise is much less on the 49. So what I would suggest is I'll continue this video with 49, and what I would suggest you to do is work it out between 39 and 41. That is the sweet spot, and depends on what index you're working for. Nifty and Bank Nifty, I think this works great somewhere at about 49. See over here, it's catching it a little late. That's my only concern. All right, I would choose something like a 45 maybe. Even 45 is catching it a little late. So I wanted this video to be with 41. 41 seems to be the best mix. Of course, there's a little bit of noise that comes in with 41, but somewhere you got to find a trade-off, like this green patch over here, this small green over here. But if you make it 49, then you're losing in terms of timing. All right, 49 is catching it a little late. 41 is catching it on time. That's the reason I'm making this video a little later, because these numbers are the ones that I've been going over again and again. I've started at 21, gone up to 49, 59, but 41 seems to be the sweet spot when it comes to JICH. All right, now we are using JICH on the 41 length. Let me just show it to you. This is the name of this indicator is JICH moving average by Everget. In India, it's also available on the Dhan billing platform. It's not available on Zerodha and Pairs as of now. All right, and my settings are very simple. This by default comes, I think, with 7. I don't use 7. On the 5-minute time frame, I use 21, and on the 1-minute time frame, I'm using 41 for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. All right, so this is the only change I have made. Apart from that, the colors are your choice. It comes with these colors. I've just made them a little brighter. Green I'm using with the thickness of 2, and red I'm using with the thickness of 4, and purple I'm using with the thickness of 4. Values and labels at the bottom are unticked. So these are my settings. I'll click on OK to make this work. All right, and at the bottom I have my EMA defense scotch. In default settings, I have made no changes. You could probably use, if you have access to more than 2 indicators, you're on the paid subscription on TradingView, maybe give it a VWAP. VWAP is a double confirmation. You know, when things are above VWAP, it's you can confidently go long a little bit more with confidence, and when things are below VWAP, then you can probably short with a little more confidence. Otherwise, which would be missing. All right, but VWAP also is like on a 1-minute time frame, it's a little what should I say, may not be the best, even though I see it working, but it's catching it late. I mean, you're better off catching this uptrend over here than waiting for the VWAP. All right, so VWAP also is not the best. You can try SMA 89, that is simple moving average 89, but again, I don't think any of this is required. Which I was using VWAP and SMA 89 when I was using the Gaussian channel, and the video for that night I uploaded yesterday, and that worked great yesterday for me. But still, since my preferred indicator is JICH, I wanted a 1-minute chart with JICH for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I think I've come very close to it. So basically it's JICH moving average with the setting of 41. Here it is 41, and no other indicator is required. And at the bottom you have EMA defense scotch. That's it. With these 2 indicators, you're done. If you're working on the 1-minute time frame and you're wanting to scalp, this is all you need. Try it out on Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can also paper trade now on TradingView and see the results, or maybe you can just switch to future start and trade if you don't want to select option strike prices. So just trade on futures, paper trade on futures and see. But yes, after a lot of what should I say, trial and errors, my thinking is at this point of time, till I find something better, that JICH works with the setting of 41 on the 1 minute time frame for Nifty and Bank Nifty, along with EMA difference scotch at the bottom, and you don't need any other indicators. These two indicators are enough for intraday scalping on the 1 minute time frame for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Of course, you can't win all the time, but by using these two indicators, if you use it well, your strike rate will be good. Your wins will be more than your losses. I can say that with a certain amount of confidence, although I can't guarantee it. But from past experiences, I can tell you that it'll work out good. If you're using the 5 minute time frame, you switch to JICH 21 instead of 41. Use 21 on the 5 minutes time frame. If you're on the 1 minute time frame, use 41. It works very well. All right. There will be days where you'll struggle with 5 minutes, and there will be days you'll struggle with 1 minute. So yesterday was a day I was struggling with 5 minutes. I'm sure not everybody struggled, but I had a little bit difficulty with 5 minutes. So I immediately switched to 1 minute time frame. I used Gaussian, and I used SMA 89, and I used VWAP. And today I have found that I can use JICH as well if I make the setting 41, if I'm using EMA defense scotch at the bottom. All right. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then kindly like and subscribe to the channel, share the video with your family and friends, leave a nice comment in the comment section. That really helps. All right. It encourages me to make more videos for everybody. When I hear something nice from you, that's all I'm asking. It helps. And definitely give the video a like. The more you like the video, the more YouTube wants the more YouTube spreads the video. So every like counts, guys. Please like the video. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given in the description in all our videos. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.